I'm Josie and today I'm here to show you the brush cutter I bought for the farm, which is multifunctional from Siga Tools. So I'm here with the accessories. I'll show you the accessories and I'll show you a little bit of it in action then. Go ahead and leave your like, subscribe here if you haven't already, and let's get to the video. So guys, the brush cutter we bought is this one from Siga Tools, 63cc. Oh, I found it for a really good price because it comes with a lot of equipment. It's already dirty, okay? But it's brand new, brand new. It's just because I was already using it around here, me and my husband. It comes with this cord here, look, to cut grass, right? Inside it's wound up. There's more. It comes this trimmer here from Circa Viva. It's really cool. This accessory here is for me. I was already imagining the moment when my hibiscus hedge grows. Or any hedge actually. Oh, this accessory is really good. It comes with this little chainsaw here, look really cool to prune branches, look really nice because then it has this extender, right? It looks very cool. It even comes with this blade, look. For cutting really tall grass. And it comes with this blade here, look. Really good. See, it comes all closed up, right? So it came with this really cool blade, and this blade is nice because it will let you cut. I'll show you here this kind of when you have these stubs like this right in the middle of the way. It's really cool because with this blade you can cut these little stubs easily. It's really useful for you need to remove the surrounding rocks first to make it safe, and this cuts well here. It's not one of the most well-known brands, right? But I thought it was really nice because the price was really good and it comes with several accessories. If you want to buy it separately, you can. If you want to buy just it and that blade, you can buy it. But I prefer to buy it with all these tools, which will be really useful for me here at the ranch. And the box that our 63cc brush cutter came in is this one. It comes with all these tools. It's multifunctional, right? 5-in-1 brush cutter, trimmer, hedge trimmer, and pruner on the shaft. And to use the brush cutter, it's good for you to be here wearing high boots, goggles, and also using this here, right? To hold the brush cutter, also wear gloves so there's no risk at all. A really great tip for women or for anyone who doesn't have much experience like us is to start cutting with the string, with this little string here. Look. Okay, because it gives you a lot more safety, right? The blade is much more dangerous. You could hit something and send a rock flying or end up hurting yourself. So start the cut with the wire. It's much more practical. And then you gain all the safety you need to use all this equipment. So that's it. I'm going to show you how we prepare the gasoline over there to put in our brush cutter. It's 25 parts of gasoline. So look, I filled the gasoline up to here at the 500 mark. And now we're going to take the oil and add it up to this 25-to-1 mark up here. See? Can you see it clearly? So let's add the oil up to the 25-to-1 mark. Like this, guys. If you end up passing up to here at the top, what can't happen if you put the oil up to here? What will happen? The oil will start to burn and black smoke will start coming out. When you're revving the brush cutter, make sure to get the gasoline and oil ratio just right. If you forget or don't add the oil, the brush cutter will run for about 5 minutes and then the engine will end up seizing. So it's good for you to find a flat surface so you can put the proportion of gasoline I mentioned here and then add the oil to mix. So now I'm going to add the oil here up to the proportion I mentioned. I've added the oil here. Now we're going to close it. It's good for you to have a little cloth. Always keep it close so you can wipe off all the excess, right? Because it has to be really tightly closed, really sealed. And do a little dance. Just a reminder, the ratio I showed you here is for this brush cutter, okay? From Siga Tools 63C. So when you buy a brush cutter, take a look at your brush cutter's manual. Don't blame Josie if something goes wrong, it's not her fault. Now let's start cutting. Guys, and for those who want to see a video of us using this little chainsaw that arrived and using this pruning equipment here too, just keep following the channel and subscribe here. As soon as we use it, I'll make a video and show it to you all, okay? So that was the video, everyone. I hope you liked our brush cutter from Siga Tools. If you liked it, I'll leave a link down below to where I bought it. So it's super easy if you want to get it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, leave a like because it really helps the channel. Share this video with more people. Subscribe here if you haven't already, please. So that's it. Big kiss. See you next video.